Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're going to do just a quick video, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. But we are going to be opening up my Hope box for it's a seasonal box. So this is the winter box for 2023-2024. This box is a lifestyle box, so you kind of don't know what you're gonna get in it. They don't usually have makeup kind of stuff in it, but I mean, there's stuff like candles, decoration kind of stuff, smelly stuff in it, and jewelry kind of things. Like I said, just lifestyle items. I thought, I'd like to do something that isn't FabFitFun on my box. And yeah, so it's about the same price as FabFitFun. It's not as big, and you don't get to pick out your items in it, but I don't really care that much about that. So if you are interested to see what I got in the winter Hope box, then hang tight because I'm getting right into it. Okay, so I'm already liking what I'm seeing here on top, but we get a little card and it highlights some of the items, not all of them, but okay, looks good so far. And it says it has a little saying on here from Agnes M. Farrow: what is Christmas? It is the tenderness for the past, courage for the present, hope for the future. It is a wish that every cup may overflow with blessings rich and eternal, and that every path may lead to peace. Okay, and yeah, so we got that, and on top we got a scarf, and yeah, okay, it is covering up everything else, but I'm going to pull it out. This might take a minute. Yes, this scarf was wrapped around everything else. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty, and let's see, it is from Comfy Lux, for the one who deserves. Okay, that is not on the featured in the Christmas Hope box. This is the Christmas Hope box. Okay, it's not the winter Hope box, it is the Christmas Hope box. Okay, this is it's thin, but that's good for when it's not too cold out, which here where I am, it doesn't get all that cold, but when you want to go outside, take a quick walk around or something like that, this is a nice little scarf for that. Okay, the next thing in the box is delicious Christmas vegan cookies. Okay, and what does it say about this? And so this Christmas, I hope you have fun, the near and the dear one, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. Isn't that like a John Lennon song or something like that? Okay, and this is from Lady Joseph, established in 1926. Delicious Christmas vegan cookies. And that's what they look like there. I'm not going to open them up, but, well, I'll open them up and show you what they look like. I'm not going to taste them, though. I just brushed my teeth. But that's what they look like right there. And let's read about them, because they are on this featured in the Christmas Hope box. And it says, spark up the merry holiday season with a collection of Christmas cookies from the well-loved brand Lady Joseph. Each bite of this Lady Joseph Christmas edition cookie will bring anyone into a merry festive state of bliss that will be perfect this coming holiday season. Baked in an artisanal way. What does that mean? Expect each piece to bring a luxurious, delicious experience from the very first bite down to the last piece. That tells me nothing about what they taste like. What is in them? Let's see the ingredients. Where are the, is this the ingredients? Okay, are they different ones? Vegan chocolate cookies. Okay, they're chocolate cookies. Wheat, sunflower oil, cocoa powder, sugar, and cocoa nibs. That's all that's in it. Okay, sounds good. It sounds nice and simple. Okay, sounds good. I don't know. I might put these in somebody's stocking. So we shall see. I think a lot of these will be nice stocking gifts. We shall see. Okay, something cute. The last box came with a face mask. This is a nourishing facial mask. A cozy aroma of minty chocolate. Isn't that cute? Our hot cocoa facial mask goes perfectly with cozy snow days, rich with antioxidants, vitamin A, and an aromatic benefits of peppermint. This comforting mask helps replenish dry winter skin. So, that's just adorable, isn't that? Okay, I'll see what I have in store for that. Then there is something in here. Could it be jewelry? We shall see. Coming out. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh, I bet my daughter would love this. It says absolutely nothing about it on here. But it's a little Christmas tree on there. And it's about that long. I bet she would like that. Maybe I'll give it to her tomorrow so she can wear it before Christmas. But there's not a card in here that says anything about it. It doesn't say anything about it on here or on the back here. But that is so pretty. That little white Christmas tree. I mean, is there a QR code on here? Anything? Not really, but maybe on the website it says something. Maybe. And it comes in this cute bag here. So, we shall close that up. I think I've got plenty of stuff for her for Christmas. Okay, there's a couple of really cute things in here. Okay, then we have a old whaling company bath bombs coastal Christmas. And yeah, let's see what this is in here. It says perfect for unwinding in the winter months. This coastal Christmas bath bomb features a holiday blend of crisp winter air and frosted juniper. Relax and soak with this bath bomb's festive fizz and holiday scent. Our handcrafted bath bombs will leave your skin feeling moisturized and lightly scented. Okay, I'm gonna have to pass this on because I do not take baths anymore. But that does smell like a fir tree. That's what that smells like a Christmas tree. But that is what that looks like. That's why I don't subscribe to any of these bath subscription boxes, because they would send me bath bombs, and I do not use bath bombs. Shower steamers would be nice, but bath bombs I do not need. Okay, that is very, very nice. Very, very nice smell. I do like the smell of a fir tree, though. Ooh. Very nice gift. Okay. I'm going to wait to show you these interesting things. Okay, we have a wooden sticker. It says, "Don't worry." From maple molasses, wooden stickers crafted from maple wood. This precision cut sticker combines design with natural wood grain texture. Great for notebooks, laptops, phone cases, lunchboxes, coolers, and more. So don't worry. Now, I think I know who needs this. So we shall give it to them. Okay, what are these? There is no mention of them on anything. They're very hard. Very hard, but there are little boots. Little Ugg looking boots. They're very cute. Maybe I need to change out my little pumpkins here and put them over here. What do you think? For decoration? Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so. But what do I do with these? Okay. I'll just put those down here for now. And the next thing, oh, there's lots of things in here. Okay, next thing, I have a chamomile hand cream with Santa Claus on it. And Let's see how this smells. There's no brand on it. Yes, I'm going to open it up. I still might give it away though. Should I open it up? I think I can smell it from out here. It's very nice. But there is a nice hand. I already have hand creams to give out for Christmas though. Yeah, I think I'll keep this one. Yeah. Okay, so give me a second. Let me try to open this up. Okay, the universe does not want me to open it up, so I'm going to take a cue there. And anyway, that is what it looks like with Santa Claus on it. And maybe I'll try again later, but not for now. Okay, is this another candle? Let me see. Is this... I thought I had a candle up here. Somebody must have taken it. Okay, this is called Hope. Sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Helen Keller. Yes, it is a jar, a soap in a jar. Oh my gosh. What is that smell? That is incredible. What is that? I wish I could explain it. I wish I could explain it. What is that smell? It smells very Christmassy though. Very Christmassy smell. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Just know that it smells very, very Christmassy. Very, very nice. I'm going to leave this open and over here. Here's my other candle. It's fell on the floor. It's called Autumn. And this is like apples. Smells like apples. Okay, this fell on the floor. I don't burn candles much at this house. So I'm going to put that one over there. Okay, two more things left. One thing is this cute little ornament of a reindeer. It says made with love. And it is from Samantha. Okay, maybe Samantha made this. Whoever you are, Samantha, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'll either put it on the tree here or give it to someone else to put on their tree. We have a very small tree here. And yeah, I don't know. It's just so cute. Okay. All right, and then the last thing is a metal mug. It says warm and cozy on it, and it does say something about it in here. And it says a Sweetwater Decor. I guess that's who makes it. Yeah, Sweetwater Decor. Warm and cozy mug. Stay cozy and warm, snuggled up with your favorite hot drink in this new campfire mug. The perfect mug to drink your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate out of while the wintry weather begins. This mug will elevate your cup of hot chocolate or coffee this holiday season. Metal mugs may get hot. Please use with caution and wait until drink has cooled. Enjoy. Well, you don't want to drink it cold. I don't use metal mugs. Well, I do have a mule mug that, well, I don't have it here with me, but I do have one that I like to drink tea in. Okay, so what we got is we got this mug, we got this bath bomb, this really cool bath bomb, we got these boots here, we got that candle, we got these cookies, we got this hand lotion here, we got this very cute ornament here, Rudolph there. We got this sticker. We got this very cute necklace. And we got the scarf. And we got this face mask. I think that is a very nice box. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you get this box? What did you think of this box this month? And yeah, let me know everything in the comments down below. What do you think about me getting this box? Do you want to keep seeing it? Or you just want me to keep doing makeup stuff? Is this a nice reprieve from me doing makeup stuff all the freaking time? let me know. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share this with your friends if you think they would enjoy it as well. And thank you for watching, whether this is your first time watching, whether you are a subscriber or whether you are a casual viewer. If this is your first time watching, thank you so much for picking this video to watch. If you like what you see and you want to see some more videos, I usually do lots of makeup related material, then please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, like I said, I hope you're all having a fantastic, amazing day. Did I say that? I don't know, but I hope you are. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you. I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Goodbye.